Welcome back. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen organization and dining experience, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 kitchen dish dining racks that will transform how you store and display your dishes. Whether you have a cozy apartment or a spacious home, these stylish and functional racks will not only save you space, but also add a touch of elegance to your dining area. From innovative designs to classic styles, we've got something for everyone. So grab a seat and let's get started on this culinary journey.
Upgrade your kitchen with the upgraded dish drying rack, featuring an innovative auto drain system. This sleek dish rack efficiently holds plates, bowls, cups, and utensils, while the auto drain spout directs water straight into the sink, keeping your counter dry. Its rust-resistant design ensures durability, and the easy-to-clean build makes it hassle-free. Perfect for busy kitchens, this rack combines style, function, and convenience.
Upgrade your kitchen with this dish drying rack, space-saving dish rack. Perfect for keeping your counters clutter-free, it features a compact design that holds plates, bowls, utensils, and more. The built-in drain board ensures water flows directly into the sink, keeping surfaces dry and clean. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, this rack is built to last. Add both style and function to your kitchen setup today.
Maximize your kitchen space with the expandable dish drying rack for your counter. This versatile dish rack expands to fit all your plates, bowls, and cookware, adapting seamlessly to your needs. The bamboo cover cutlery holder adds eco-friendly elegance, keeping utensils neatly organized. With a rust-resistant design for durability and an integrated drainage system, it ensures a dry, tidy countertop. A perfect blend of style and functionality, this rack is ideal for any modern kitchen.
The Toolf Expandable Dish Rack is your go-to solution for optimizing kitchen space. This compact yet versatile dish drainer expands to fit more dishes when needed, perfect for any size kitchen. Its stainless steel frame is durable, rust-resistant, and designed to last. The removable cutlery holder adds extra convenience for utensils. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and enjoy a sleek, efficient drying system.
The expandable dish drying rack is the perfect space-saving solution for your kitchen counter. Its adjustable design allows you to fit more dishes, glasses, and utensils while maintaining a sleek, organized look. With its durable, rust-proof construction and efficient drainage system, it keeps your countertop dry and clutter-free. This multifunctional rack also features non-slip feet, ensuring stability. Ideal for any kitchen size, offering both style and practicality.